You'll never believe how cute some baby hangers can be in your flower pots. To start, I want to take 2 of the hangers and place them so that the hooks face each other and they create a heart. I want to add a dab of hot glue to the 2 points where the hangers meet. Next, I want to use a zip tie in the same spot to secure them so that they don't come apart. To create the butterfly, I want to attach the 2 wings together now. With the wings attached to each other, it's time to add the body. I chose these small solar lights. Since I want to keep my butterflies in flower pots, I didn't need big ones, and these are the perfect size. I could use longer ones though if I wanted to put these into the ground. Now that my pink butterfly is ready, I want to make 2 more using the white hangers. Since the hangers only come in pink and white, I thought it would be fun to paint one to give it a little character. I'm going to finish this up and then I'll show you what they look like outside. These butterflies are so fun. They not only look great in the daytime, but they're super cute lit up at night as well. I hope this has inspired you to make some butterflies for your garden or porch as well.
Head on over to Dollar Tree for this awesome and fun DIY. You'll need 10 hangers for this project. Place the hangers in a triangle shape. Add 3 zip ties, 1 to the peak and 2 to the hooks. You'll need to repeat this process until you have 5 sets of hangers. Place the hanger sets into a star shape. Now it's time to connect all the edges, so add zip ties to all the connecting edges. At the top, I decided I needed a little extra strength, so I slid the one hook over to the side and tightened it, and I added an extra zip tie for strength and durability. I wrapped the entire star in lights. I placed it on my mantle to connect the lights, and I placed it on a clicky lighter. So now I simply click it on to turn it on, and click it off to turn it off.
And I hope this inspires you to make a hanger star of your own. Again, I'm Chas from Chas's Crazy Creations. Thanks for watching Hometalk, and I'll see you next time.
We're going to make a really cute outdoor decoration using hangers and a shower curtain from Dollar Tree. The first thing I'm doing is just spreading out the shower curtain on a big table, and I want the colorful side to be facing up. Now I'm going to grab my hangers, I'm only using 4, and I'm going to lay these out in a pattern that resembles a butterfly. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'm going to use a little hot glue to put these together. I want this to be nice and sturdy, so I want to make sure that the center of my butterfly, where those hangers touch, that those kind of overlap. And I'm going to use a lot of hot glue to really make this stick. Now this is a pretty big shower curtain, so to make this a little bit more manageable, I'm just going to hold the butterfly in place and cut around the shower curtain roughly the size of the butterfly. But I'm going to flip the whole thing over. And now I want to work on securing the shower curtain to the hangers. I'll flip it back over. The shower curtain is now attached, and I'm just going to go through, do some detail work with my scissors, and I have a set of battery-powered fairy lights. I'm going to glue the battery pack to the center, and then I'm just going to use a bit of hot glue to tack the lights in place. For the center of the butterfly, I want something weatherproof, so I just grabbed a scrap of wood and cut it down to size, and I'm going to paint it with black craft paint. This is going to act as the body of the butterfly, but it's also going to add some stability to the whole piece and give me a place to hang it. When everything is completely dry, which I did let sit for 12 hours, and now I have this colorful butterfly on my deck. It looks so good out here. And at night, I can turn on the lights and light it up. I hope this inspired you to make some fun outdoor decor using hangers and a shower curtain.
Today we're going to talk about some hanger hacks. Let's get started. Grab a toilet paper roll, cut a slit down the toilet paper roll, tape 2 of them together, slide them onto a hanger, and slide your pants over the top of the cardboard. This will stop your pants from getting creases in them. Take a cord, clip it into a pants hanger, wind it around the hanger, and clip the other end into the other clip of the pants hanger. Now you have some easy cord organization. Grab a hanger, place a rubber band on each side of the hanger. Place your garments onto the hanger. This will keep anything from slipping off the edges of your hangers. Now, if you're putting pants on your hangers, this could be a big no-no. Sometimes it leaves a crease in your pants. Grab a couple of old business cards, fold them in half, place one end over the top of the pants, and clip that into a pants hanger. Now you can hang your pants with ease, and it will not leave any crease marks. If you have wire hangers, grab 2 clothespins, clip them onto the wire hanger, and then clip your pants onto the hangers. This will prevent creases as well. Now, if you're short on storage space in your closet, all you need is a chain. Place one end of the chain onto your hanger in your first outfit. A couple lengths down, place the second hanger with the next shirt or outfit. This hangs them all vertically, saving you space in your closet as well as keeps it nice and flat. Grab a hanger and a package of shower curtain rings. Place all of the shower curtain rings onto the hanger, or as many as you need. Grab your necklaces and place them onto the shower curtain rings. You can put as many or as few as you want, but one item per shower curtain ring. This keeps your jewelry hanging nicely and it makes it easy to grab when you're getting dressed. Grab your scarves and slide them through the rings. This will keep your scarves nice and organized, works well for decorative scarves and winter scarves. Grab your baseball caps and focus on the back side of the cap where there is a loop. This hangs them sideways into your closet and is a huge space saver. Now, if you're hanging your sweaters this way, you can really stretch out the shoulders. First, start by folding your sweater. Fold it in half. Place your hanger upside down so that the hook is in the armpit. Loop the sleeves up and over the hanger and tuck them through the bottom. Repeat that with the other side of the sweater. Grab a command hook and place it on your kitchen cabinets. Open your cookbook to the desired page of the recipe you're using and hook it into a pants hanger. Now you can cook with ease and avoid splatters. Place a command hook in your bathroom. Take a magazine and place it over the bottom of a hanger. Hook the hanger onto the command hook, and now you have an easy magazine rack for your bathroom. Take a hanger and cut the bottom center. Slide paper towels onto either end so that they hang on the bottom. Hook this into an area where you're going to need it.
The next time you run across a wire hanger in your closet, pull it out and use it for something other than clothes. Take 2 styrofoam blocks that you can purchase at your local dollar store and glue them together using a cool melt glue gun. Now take that wire hanger and bend it by pulling the bottom wire toward the top of the hanger. Next, take 2 pipe cleaners, it doesn't matter what color, and twist the ends together. Do this as well with another set of 2 pipe cleaners. So now you have 2 long pipe cleaners. Position the wire hanger hook on top of the styrofoam block and secure it by wrapping the pipe cleaners up and around the hook. Twist the ends securely and tuck them in. If you wish, you can use a little more cool melt glue to make sure the pipe cleaners and hook stay put. Flip the styrofoam block so the hook is facing your counter. Take some faux greenery bunches and start to cut off smaller stems with a wire cutter or very sharp scissors. Start to stick the faux stems into the top and sides of the styrofoam block. It's nice to use 2 or 3 different types of greenery so there is added depth in the color. Now take some faux flowers, I'm always a sucker for tulips, and start to cut the stems from the bunch. Start with some shorter stems and stick them into the center face of the styrofoam block. Again, different shades and types of flowers are going to give you added depth. Once the center is filled, start to cut longer stems and stick them into the top and sides of the block. Continue to fill in the empty spaces with other flowers. Now head outdoors and hang your new flower arrangement from any outdoor light sconce. The wire hanger is the perfect hook. I hope this inspired you to raid your closet for wire hangers and create gorgeous floral arrangements for your outdoor lighting. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you next time.